much like the Pizza Planet truck, don't it? Hello and welcome to Tree Row Rescue, where today we are actually working on a car. We're not shooting guns today. We are working on a car, and this is a 1996 Toyota Tacoma.
That ain't no car.
You're right, it ain't no car. A truck, half a truck. A really cool truck, because it's a Tacoma, whatever. Anyway, it's a friend of mine's.
Bulletproof.
They are bulletproof.
So that's why we're not filming guns today.
Yeah, I don't want to shoot it because currently it's bulletproof. Anyway, a friend of ours, you know AJ, he's been on the channel several times. Friend of ours dropped this off and says, hey, this is my farm truck. Can you get it running? And we're like, yeah.
Can we get it running?
That's kind of a rhetorical question. Yeah, maybe. It's a possibility. So we're going to dig into it. I'll tell you this. The mice have had a feast. Let's get into it. Okay, digging right into it. We'll get to that in just a second. It's a very solid truck for a 96. It's got a different wheel there. And the interesting thing is their lug nuts look like 12mm sockets. And that's on all four corners, because yeah, I did kind of walk around it. Hello, AJ. It's got a cool little topper. Don't worry about the plate. It has been off the road. Actually, they just tagged it. Never mind. They got high expectations today. Oh, look, there's Madison. Anyway, solid truck all the way around. And of course, let's get into here. Oh no, it's locked. Help me. Thank you.
It's elite.
It is elite.
It's elite.
It's got one of them shifting machines there. Cool little 5-speed. Interior's in great shape though. How's it sit there, AJ?
I like cars from the 90s.
Amen to that, brother. Even the dash is in good shape. Not a lot of cracking. It's my kind of stuff. Now, for the interesting thing. Whenever they dropped it off, I ain't gonna lie, AJ and I kind of gandered around at it, and well, that's not good.
Instance 1.
And
Instance 2.
Instance 2. And vacuum hoses. Everything's been nibbled on.
Looky.
Busted vacuum lines.
That's hard.
Mouse house, squirrel house, squirrel house. It's gonna be okay. We may have our work cut out with us. Give me a thumbs up. We're gonna get it, right?
Yeah, we need a battery.
Battery. I'm on it.
I got a battery.
It's a never start.
I never start?
It's a never start. So, maybe.
It's a foreshadowing.
It is foreshadowing.
Foreshadowing.
Well, I mean, our battery cables seem to be okay.
We're sitting on something.
Wiggle, wiggle.
There we go.
There. Grind in. You gotta grind in the acorns.
Yeah.
Makes them. Okay, we're hot. Drink up, little buddy. Wake up! Wake up. All right. Well, I don't see or smell any smoke, so that's a good thing. You know, fire tests, because, you know, mice, whenever they chew into things, wires become hot that should not be hot. Yep, now, all right, run it. I'm gonna go turn the key. I'm gonna hit the key. All right, here we go. Hey, we got dings. You winding up?
Yep, winding it up.
Okay. I'm gonna be in my running position in case things go south. So it's gonna be, this has a clutch safety switch in it, doesn't it? Clutch in. Ignition's hot. Again? I mean, it turns over. I haven't checked the oil in it either. We should probably do that. Yeah, no, it's not nothing. It's not even hitting. Hey, is the clutch engaged? See if it works. I'm just going to bump the starter. So the car should move. Let me put it in gear. There we go. Oh, cool. Oh, I can't because the clutch safety switch. All technology. Oh, hey, we got wipers. Oh. I did that by accident. Turn off. I did. Okay. So, we got ignition. And we got dings. But no start. And I bet you a no start situation has something to do with mice. I would assume. First off, we got oil. Old oil. It's not bad though. It's runnable. It's not full, so it probably leaks. And it looks like we have a water leak. Something's leaking. That's fine. Anyway, let's start diagnosing. Multimeter. Yes. Where's my multimeter? Can't find anything. Is it over here? It's not my toolbox at home. Don't hate. Oh, look. We have a wire down here too. What you reckon that is? I bet that's horn. Think that's horn? Do we have a horn? No. I mean, if we got a horn, it's well worth it. We got a horn! That's not the horn. Alright. Let's get the diagnosis. Okay. So, it's been a little bit, and the first rule of diagnostics, in the way my brain thinks, is if I wanted to recreate this problem, what would I do? And I'd go to the easiest source, right? Start with power and find out where the power stops, correct? Well, I did that. This has a fuse panel. Weird. I don't really work on cars with fuse panels outside of the 5 fuses a car needs to run. And I'm digging in here, and it's got a legend, so my brain goes to, well, if I didn't want it to start, I would either A, cut ignition, B, cut fuel, and that's basically it. Those are my 2 options. Because what do you need for an engine to run? Fuel, spark, and air, right? Compression, of course, whatever. So I go in here to the fuse box, and I'm going through all of these EFI 15 amp. So that's electronic fuel injection. And there's a 15 amp fuse in here. And I pull it out, which I've already done. And bam! Blown fuse. This isn't going to focus, but anyway. A little 15 amper, come on, focus. Yeah, no, it's not going to focus. Anyway, that's blown. And I got another one here. Got a 15 amper. If I plug this in, that didn't seem right. Did I put that in the wrong one? There we go. Put it in the correct one. Speed on it! Okay. In. Safe and secure. I still don't smell any fire, so that's good. Let's try this again, shall we? That's the first thing we've done. Let's check and see if that's our problem. And then we move on to other things if it starts. We still got dings, so the battery's still hot. Oh! Am I in neutral? Keep running. Rough. Ooh, it's ugly. Ooh. I mean, if you put a margarita on here, it'd be shaken, not stirred. That's sucking. Yeah, that's a lot of air that's being pulled. Alright, there's one. Oh, it automatically got better. Okay. There's a little box over here connected to the air intake. I have no idea what it is. Okay. Let's see if she moves. Clutch in. Basically what I'm saying is, as it rides right now, I could slap a pizza place thing on the roof there and just go out and deliver some
Boot,
pizza.
scoot, and boogie.
That's right. Be a good delivery man. 30 minutes or less or it's free. I never got a free pizza because of that. They give them way too much time. Anyway, so vacuum line, what is that, 5/16 line? Oh, well guess what? From working on Madison, I have a whole roll of it. So, let me cut some of this up and take care of some vacuum leaks. Maybe she'll run better. I'll bring it back. Basically what I'm saying is, as it rides right now, I could slap a pizza place thing on the roof there and just go out and deliver some
Boot,
pizza.
scoot, and boogie.
That's right. Be a good delivery man. 30 minutes or less or it's free. I never got a free pizza because of that. They give them way too much time. Anyway, so vacuum line, what is that, 5/16 line? Oh, well guess what? From working on Madison, I have a whole roll of it. So, let me cut some of this up and take care of some vacuum leaks. Maybe she'll run better. I'll bring it back. You want to know a secret? Let me get in frame here. I'm way out of frame. So, you get your oil can bottles or your coolant bottles and all of that. They have this safety tab on them. This thing right here. See that safety tab? It's really aggravating sometimes. Well, you can take that. You know how aggravating it is? Usually I just right on the hood latch assembly, boom, poke a hole in it, tear it out. But you can literally use that tab to cut the whole thing out. That's with oil, antifreeze, anything that's got a little child safety lock on it. Almost hit AJ with that. That would have been funny. But yeah, you can use that to cut that open. Just making your life a little easier, a little nugget of knowledge there. Take it or leave it. I'm sure somebody will be like, that's not what that's for. I don't care, it's what I use it for. Anyway, adding coolant. AJ's over there gapping plugs.
The old school way.
The old school way with a caliper because, well, we're at AVM. In AVM, we don't work on engines. We modify vehicles for the individuals with disabilities, i.e. hand controls, lifts, that whole shebang. And now I gotta go find my lid. I just threw it. I thought I needed more antifreeze in there. Found it.
Oh, you will once we get that thing running.
I'm back. So I ain't got a gap tool here, and I didn't think about bringing it this morning.
The thing is, this is just gonna be a farm truck for moving things around.
Yeah, I should mention that. So I don't know if you heard what he was just saying. He's over there. You can see his legs. Maybe you can see his face. I can't tell. There he is. So basically our friends, they're just going to be using this as a farm truck. So it ain't got to be like super road dependable, but it's got to stay cool because it's going to be going through fields and whatnot. They're using it on the farm just to pull stuff around, haul hay, all the whoosy whats and whatnots. So if we can get it reliable enough for that, mint. I mean, who's kidding? This thing will drive to California, not that we would want to. But I bet it would. Well, she's staying cool. No leaks outside of the oil. Where we have that UV dye. Hop over there into the passenger side. Let's go for a ride, shall we? Let's go. Come on. Let's take it for a spin. AJ's holding on to the camera there. This is the first drive in a while. Comment below, you think it'll make it? It's a Toyota. Let's go. Temperature is good. We've got gas. I don't know how old the gas is. We'll just say it's old enough. Clutch is really good. Brake check. We have brakes. Seat belt. Yep. Yep. Here we go. First gear. Nice and easy. We want to be gentle. Second gear. Oh yeah. Temperature staying good. Buddy, we did it. Now, I mean, the real way to test this is, let's do a burnout. Well, that was anticlimactic, but I mean, it did spin one of them. For being in a field for years, I'll take it. I mean, it's a Toyota. They're not, this one here, she ain't designed for speed or much anything other than just driving. But that's the joy of it. It ain't got enough power to brake. Fifth gear, like no RPM. Just cruising 30 miles to the gallon. All right. I'm going to venture to say that that is a success. It's probably one of the easier ones that I've done, but it's a Toyota. What do you expect? They don't die. So this is going to go back on the farm and continue to live life for many years to come. I appreciate them for entrusting me and Tree Row Rescue to get her going again. And AJ for helping out. He's always right there by my side if I need him. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, all the things. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys. And comment below, what do you want to see next? Let me know what you think about the two channels merging, i.e. Tree Row Range and Tree Row Rescue, where we rescue cars and we shoot guns. Let me know what you think about that. Until next time, I appreciate you and we'll see you.